welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Whitney Wiley and thank you for tuning into my video. So I noticed I've gotten a lot of new subscribers in the last month and I want to say hello to everyone out there. My name is Whitney. I do beauty and fashion videos and a little bit of vlogging and travel on the side. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and enjoy my channel. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't had the opportunity yet. But today what we're doing is a full face of Laura Mercier makeup. So I have quite a few items from Laura Mercier that I actually haven't really had the opportunity to test out. So I thought this would be the perfect way to do it. Just put everything together and get to try all the items. So they have a lot of new products and then products that are just new to me. So I thought I would share them with you guys and share my first impression and my experience with them. So this is the look I created, something very, very simple, easy, summer breezy. You know, you don't always have time for like full glam, even though I'm wearing lashes. But anyway, this is the look I came up with. So if you would like to see this look, then please keep watching. Also, to welcome all you new subscribers to my channel, I will be doing my first ever giveaway on this channel. So I'm really, really excited. I have 2 winners. And I will be giving away quite a few Laura Mercier lipsticks. So each winner will get quite a bunch. So make sure to stay tuned to the very end of the video because I will include all the info there as well as leave all the info in the description bar. So if you're interested in any of the products that I'm using today, they'll all be down below as well. And let's get started on this summer easy breezy Laura Mercier look. Alright guys, so let's get started. I have quite a few Laura Mercier products. Like I said, pretty much enough stuff for a full face of makeup. So we're gonna play with all new products today, which I'm really, really excited about because yeah, it's just really fun when you get to try a whole bunch of new products in one day. Okay, one of the first things I have to show you is this entire collection they sent me of their brushes, which I am so grateful for. Thank you so much to them for sending this over. So this is like a little traveling case for your brushes or storage case, and then look at how beautiful this is. Hold on, I have to show you. So it opens up, there we go. And it's got like 2 little pockets over here to store additional makeup, and then this is their brush set. So there are enough brushes, definitely another page of brushes for me to do my makeup with. And then the third, these are the more precision brushes back here. So there is a ton. I'm so grateful to get this collection and test out their brushes. I've never had the opportunity to try their brushes before, but they feel amazing. So I'm really, really excited. So this is their Art of Brushes collection. So we're gonna be using these all day long just to apply the makeup, and these are all synthetic fiber brushes. Okay, so ignore this little spot on my face. I got a little crazy and started picking at it today, which you're not supposed to do, but like I just couldn't help myself. So I've got this little guy that wants to be a part of the video. So one of the first things I'm gonna go in with is their primer. So they sent me a couple, but today I'm gonna use the Hydrating Primer Foundation and also the Radiance Bronze Primer. So I know I don't need 2 primers, but they sent me a couple and I just want to try them all. So I'm gonna start with the hydrating one first. And my skin has been feeling a little dry, so I feel like a hydrating situation is gonna be good. It just comes in their tube, just like how their tinted moisturizers used to come. I don't know if they still come like that, but I used to love their tinted moisturizer. So this is the hydrating primer. So I'm gonna go in with this over some areas that are a little challenged on my face, aka all of them. I'm avoiding this little pimple because he probably doesn't need any hydration. He needs to be dried out is what he needs. So I'm just gonna put this on. It smells good. Just to like make sure that the foundation goes on super smooth. Up next we're gonna do the Radiant Bronze Primer. So this looked really cool. I swatched this earlier on Insta Stories. So yeah, check my Insta Stories. Every time I get new products, I always try to show them on Insta Stories first because it takes a lot longer to make a YouTube video. So I'll just like give a little first impressions and just kind of swatch them for you so you can actually see what they look like. And if you're not following me on IG, I'll put my handle right here. So make sure to follow your girl on IG and come say hey and say you're from YouTube. Bronzing primer. And same packaging for the most part. This looks so pretty. Let me just swatch this for you guys. So this is what it looks like. And I don't know if you can tell, it's shimmery. but once you shear this out, it just gives like a glow to your skin. It's just like a nice natural glow. So I'm gonna put this all over as my base. Just feel like this is gonna give us a nice little radiant glow before the foundation. Once again, I'm avoiding this little guy because he doesn't need any more attention brought to him. It smells good too. It's very subtle scent. I feel like this would be so pretty to wear on its own, like on a no makeup day, but like you wanna look like your skin's healthy and glowing. This would be really pretty to just put on like before going out to the beach. Just gives you like an all over glow. Okay, up next we're gonna go in with the Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Foundation. So it comes in a box like this, and this is in shade FN1 Pecan. Here it is. I'm hoping the shade works. It looks a little light, but if so, then I'm just gonna go ahead and darken the edges of my face with bronzer. So we'll make it work. Either way, I know I can make this work. Yes, it's got a pump, it's got a pump. I like this nice frosted glass bottle. It looks really expensive. This foundation is supposed to give you medium to full coverage, and it's got a matte finish that's never dull or flat. Okay, cool. I like all those things. Matte, medium to full, naturally me. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the Laura Mercier blender brush. And I'm not sure if this one is for foundation or if it will work very well. The bristles seem a little bit longer than what I normally use, but I feel like it's so soft. I feel like this might be able to do a good job. So we're gonna go in with the foundation and see where we're working with. Okay, it's a little yellow, but so is my skin tone, honestly. I don't know if I'm loving how that one's going on. Let me try it with my beauty sponge. This is the Morphe beauty sponge. I tried patting this in. Yeah, I'm liking this application more. Okay, definitely a little light and on the yellow tone for my skin. I think I'm a little more of a neutral in their line, but I do like the fact that it does give you a matte finish. But it's not too matte. Like there's a little bit of sheen still on my face. It also is definitely very buildable. This is about 2 different layers that I put on. So you definitely can go much lighter and wear it like as an everyday foundation and not have too much. But yeah, I think I like this applied with the Beauty Blender more. This brush is just probably not the brush I would use for liquid. So moving on from foundation, we're gonna go to concealer next. Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Concealer. Here it is. And this is in 4N, so this is a neutral shade, I'm assuming. Yeah, this looks definitely like a shade I would typically go for. I like a shade quite a bit lighter than my skin tone, so I'm gonna go ahead and highlight my face and blend this in with a beauty blender. I like the applicator. It's like nice and flat. Doe foot applicator. Okay, so I'm gonna blend this out with a beauty blender. I like beauty blenders for sure to do all of my concealers. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and then set the concealer with the Secret Brightening Powder for under eyes. So I have been using Laura Mercier's translucent powder for years. I love their translucent powder, but I have never tried this one before. So this is specifically for under eyes. It looks extremely bright. So I believe that this will just help to brighten the under eye. I'm not gonna set my whole face with this. Oh wow, this is blending out like a dream. That is super smooth and easy to blend out. Wow, that was easy. So easy, and it looks great. It looks really moisturized, yet it's not creasing. It just makes my under eyes look really healthy, which is cool. You don't want your under eyes to look dry and crusty. Ever. All right, the nose is the test because I have larger pores on my nose. So to see how this works with my pores is the ultimate test. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my gosh, you guys. I've been using Urban Decay Naked Concealer and Heart Shape Tape for a long time, but this might be one of my new favorite concealers. It's laying so well on my skin. I really like this. This is amazing. This is the perfect color for me. I love this. So let's try setting it with the under eye powder. Okay, so I'm gonna use this brush. This is the Camouflage powder brush. And this brush is specifically formulated to go with the under eye brightening powder to help set the under eyes. We're gonna be baking today. I do like how rounded the bristles are with this brush, so you can like really get in and like carve underneath your eye. Nice. Okay, definitely brighter. I'm gonna let it sit there for a second and then dust it away. I'm gonna go in with the Candleglow Sheer Perfecting Powder. So I actually wanted to try this for a while and hadn't gotten the opportunity, but this is supposed to just be an all over face powder, but it gives you a very subtle natural glow, which I love. So this is in the shade 5. I believe there's only like 5 shades, maybe. I'm gonna go in with the powder brush. I'm gonna go in with the sheer powder, Candleglow powder, and I'm gonna set the rest of my face. Yeah, I like this. The glow is really, really sheer, but it's there. It's just like healthy skin. That's what it looks like. Okay, and then let me dust away this. I really like this sheer Candleglow powder. I think I definitely will throw this in my purse because it just looks really, really natural. Oh, this with the Radiance primer underneath, I feel like that would be so pretty during the summer. That might be like my new everyday thing. Okay, so I have a matte bronzing powder by them. I'm not sure if this shade is gonna work for me because it is quite a bit lighter. This is in Soleil number 2. Really pretty packaging though. Look at that. If it is, then I might go in with a contour powder that I have. Okay, this is their Laura Mercier bronzer brush. So let's see if I can bronze the outer edges of my skin with this. It might be too light. By the way, this bronzer smells like coconuts. Oh, good. Smells like summer. I'm gonna do a combination of this and I'm gonna go in with a contour powder. Okay, it's been a second and I'm back, and I went on and filled in my brows and did a little bit of contour powder as well as the bronzer, and threw on some blush and lashes. So yeah, pretty much got my eyes and everything together. So let's go ahead and finish up the makeup look. I have a few more products to try out. So let's get started with my most favorite part of the afternoon. Highlighter. So I have their fan powder brush for highlighting right here. And then I have several highlighters. So I have actually 4 to show you guys. This is their face illuminators, and I have them in Devotion, Seduction, and Discretion, Addiction. Okay, so this is one of my most favorites, Addiction. As far as the way it looks. So let me just swatch this for you. And I also showed this on my Insta stories as well. I'm always putting up video of the products on there as soon as I get them. So look how pretty that is, and it kind of like melts into your skin. This is in Discretion. This has more of like a pinky hue. It's kind of like rose gold there. So you can definitely see there's more like silver tones to the Seduction, which is so pretty, this bronze shade. There it is. It's right here in the center. It honestly just melts into my skin. That would be a really pretty everyday highlighter for me. And then Devotion has definitely more of a silvery hue. It actually has like a little bit of a pinky undertone as well. I don't use these too often. If I do, I use them just like right on the apples of my cheekbones, or I'll use them as like inner corner highlights. I think I'm gonna do a mix of Seduction and Addiction. So I'm gonna go in with Seduction first with a fan brush. I know this is gonna look a lot more natural on my skin tone, but I'm gonna go ahead and swirl my fan brush in that. And this is looking super, super natural. I would definitely wear this as an everyday highlight. So I'm gonna try this on my chin because I feel like this is a really good color. It's not too off from my skin tone, it's just adding that sheen. And then I'm gonna go over the brow bone too, like what the heck. So I also like to highlight here, but it just doesn't look that great when you go in with like a super gold highlight, or a highlight that like the base tone is a little off from my actual skin tone. So yeah, that's really pretty. Then I'm gonna go in with a more goldy hue, Addiction, and I'm gonna layer this on top on my cheeks. So this should show a little more since it has that gold base. Wow. Ooh, I like these together. So gold, look at all that gold. And then I'm gonna go in with the finishing brush, and I'm just going to blend all the highlight, blush, bronzer, contour together. Just like to go over it lightly. Okay, up next, we're gonna do lipsticks and glosses. So So I have the Velour Extreme Matte Lipsticks by them, and I'm going to go in with a few different shades. These are really cool. I really like these. They're like little lipstick crayons, and you can just roll them up and use them, never have to sharpen them. I love these because they also double as a lip liner and a lipstick, and I actually will be doing a giveaway with these in just a few moments, so you'll get the information for that. I'm gonna line the outside of my lip with Fresh, and you don't have to sharpen them, just literally draw it on. These are so easy to throw in your purse, and they're creamy and matte, but not drying on your lips. It's really nice. I'm gonna go in with Vibe in the middle to just tone it down. So I might go in with a third color. I'm going overboard today. Why not? So then we're just gonna go in with Respect right in the middle. This is very light for me. I would never wear this on its own, but it works really well. That inner lip pop, you know? If you want that ombre lip, Respect does the job. Okay, so now I'm gonna go with the lip gloss. I have a couple of lip glosses. I'm using their Lip Glossé, and I have a couple of nudes, so I love these two especially. I actually have a few favorites, but this one is in Bear Baby, which this might be a little too close to my lip color. And these smell so good. They smell like vanilla, and they're not sticky or tacky at all. They're super moisturizing, and they just glide on. Okay, let me try this one on top. This is Opal. It's the third one right there. I'm gonna go in with this over everything and focus it mainly in the center. Okay guys, so here is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this little mini tutorial. I just wanted to do something very natural, easy and breezy, and I was really excited to use as many Laura Mercier products as I could and get to test them all out. So this was my first impression with a lot of these products, so it was really cool just to get to try it all out, and I found a lot of new products that I really love. I hope you enjoyed this video, and now to the best part of the video. So I am doing my first ever giveaway on this channel. Yay! I hope you guys are excited as I am. So I've never done a giveaway before, so bear with me on the rules and everything. I'm still going to think over exactly how I'm gonna do the rules, so check down in the description bar below to get all the rules to enter the giveaway. But what will you be winning? Let me show you. So I personally love the Velour Extreme Matte Lipsticks, so I will be giving 2 people 12 of, I believe I have 12 lipsticks. So I have like an entire collection of them. Look at all these beautiful shades. Lots of pinks, lots of nudes, browns, a red in there, a couple of like tangerine shades as well, but really beautiful shades. I love these. I've been wearing them for pretty much since December of last year, and I love them. They're just really really and you don't have to ever pack a sharpener. You don't need a lip liner. You just like throw the lipstick in your purse and you're good to go. So these are really cool. I love these. So I'll be giving 2 people 12 of these. I know you're gonna love them. So I'll put the rules down below in the description bar of how to enter. I'm sure it's going to include things with my YouTube channel as well as integrating my Instagram in there as well. Oh, I'm also gonna make this, so sorry, but I'm gonna make this US only, as this is my first time doing a giveaway. So this will be US only, and I will also put down below when the giveaway closes. So once it goes up, I will probably give it about a week from the date that I put up the video, and then I'll go ahead and close the giveaway and then contact the winners. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Everything I use on my face will be listed down below. And don't forget to enter my giveaway, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!